Hello my friends, today we're gonna have a look at the QUADCAST microphone from HyperX. Is it still a good buy? I think it's 3 years old now. We're gonna find out, and I'm gonna upgrade my microphones here for you. So let's go. Yes, so we take the trusted kitchen knife and we gonna open this box. There we go, and here we have a small quick start guide that we won't have a look in. I don't think so, at least. And what do we have here? Yeah, and for you who wonders, this microphone can pick up 4 patterns. It's stereo, it's omnidirectional, it's cardioid, and you have the bidirectional. So if you are sitting right across each other and having a talk. The stereo, of course, for instruments and yeah, stuff. And then we have the 360 pickup that will be for everything in your room. And the cardioid will be the best for this kind of situations. So let's have a look at the magic. Yeah, if I'm strong enough, I don't know. Wow. Here we go. Oh, nice braided cable. And it seems longer than most of the phone cables nowadays. So yeah, here we go. The microphone itself. We'll have a look at it there. And here is a little mounting thingy. Oh wait. So yeah, braided cable, as I said, it looks and feels nice, at least. This is, oh, this is long. Ooh, yeah. And here we have the microphone. You have it here, and yeah, I think this here will be the adjustments of the sound and yeah, the volume, the pickup volume. And on the other side you have the pattern select button for stereo, 360 and cardioid, and then bidirectional. You can see it there. And underneath here is the USB, mini USB, and a headphone jack for listening in on what you are, how you sound during recording. On the top there is a mute button, easy to reach, boop, and it's off, boop, and it's on. And it's mounted to rubbery bands so it doesn't pick up bumps and stuff when you are moving around, if you're doing that. So it will keep nice and quiet and just pick up the sounds you want to pick up. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the external. Yeah, I almost forgot. This is not RGB, it's just R, so red. It will light up when connected. Let's have a look, or have a listen, how it sounds. So we are set up and ready to test this thing. I'm currently recording on my Surface here, connected with the HyperX, and yeah, just now I'm set up to level 3 on the dial here. You maybe see it from above there, and I will dial it down to minimum, and this is how it sounds now. And this is on level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, and cranked up all way up. So what do you guys think? Does it sound better than my old setup? I think so. Yeah, I picked this one up on a good deal. I think it was $90. So yeah, I'm for now I'm satisfied with what I'm hearing, and yeah, let me know what you think. Is it a good upgrade for this channel? Yeah, so there we go. This was a quick unboxing of the HyperX QUADCAST microphone, and yeah, let me know if you are picking one up after you seeing this, and yeah, have a nice one. Bye.